Kolaki YouTube channel. I am just speaking from Pakistan, Hyderabad, a city of good air and refreshing air, because air of Hyderabad is so romantic that people like it. And the Indus Valley is already a very interesting historic. Indus Valley is one of the ancient valley and ancient civilization. Mohenjo-daro, Harappa, Dholavira and many other archaeological sites are there. So we in Pakistan basically feel that Indus civilization and the method of medical cure or medical care was called Ayur. Ayur means life and Vedic means science, and these are the ancient scriptures. And the Shashruta, surgeon of the Indus Valley or the India, which was a subcontinent, is one of the famous surgeon of all times. So coming to the topic of the today's discussion is Aga Khan University MBBS admission process, which has been started in the March 17th March. Applications and the portal was open, and that will continue to the 16th May, means today is the 9th May when I am recording. So still we have 1 week to apply and to register with the MBBS program of the Aga Khan University, as well as 2 other programs, BSc Nursing and Associate Science of Dental Hygiene is also part of the medical program. This is a Pakistan program, but they have the international campuses in Nairobi, so there are international other programs you can see on the Aga Khan website. Today I will discuss the national and international centers, because the audience of Aga Khan University are international audience. So not only the students will apply from Pakistan, but from other countries they will also apply. So to update them that what are the centers, what are the countries, and what is the last date to apply, and what is the last date or the date of the entry test. Entry test in Pakistan is called MD-CAT, which is Medical College Admission Test, and in MCAT is said in the American language, which is also Medical American Association of Medical Colleges, that is MCAT. This was started in the early 1920s, and then it was started in the UK, and now it is a part of the higher education system anywhere in the country. In India it is called NEET, and here it is called MD-CAT. So the last applying date is 16th May, so still 1 week is there, and the test will be conducted on 21st July 2024 in at international centers and as well as in Pakistan. So there are steps to apply, 5-6 steps are there, and there is a website. If you will go on the Google and you will write www.aku.admissions and then apply, then you will be connected with that Aga Khan University process. And when you will see that there is a information booklet, and there is a website of Aga Khan Medical College and MBBS admission. And if you will scroll down, then you will come to the admission information booklet. That is about 14 or 17 page admission booklet. But in that brief description of the Aga Khan admission process, you will find a list where you will see that how to apply. There are certain methods in which you have to register with your email. Then steps will unfold and you will apply, and there is a fee for international students. It is written there, as I recall, and you can verify, it is 150 US or 100 US dollars, and in Pakistan it is 7,000 rupees of Pakistani rupees. So you can apply online, and that will be a process, and even the payment of this fee of the Aga Khan entry test can be from your credit card also. In Pakistan, the designated bank is the Habib Bank of Pakistan. So these are 4 steps, and there are certain time schedules, topics, and curriculum mentioned there. Biology is there, chemistry is there, physics is there, and then this is part 1, which is called scientific part. Another is scientific reasoning and mathematical reasoning, that is part 2. It will have 20 questions, and the part 1 will have 60 questions. But the negative marks are in the part 1 are science section, are scientific reasoning, and the part 2 is not having the negative marks. So you should be careful. And why I am trying to make this video, I want to give a message to the Pakistani students, particularly the province of Sindh, because this Aga Khan University is established in Pakistan, and the campus is in the Sindh main campus in Karachi. So I will encourage the students of the province of Sindh to apply, and the people who are living in various countries and they have their roots, and they are from Pakistani background, or particularly from the province of Sindh, they should also apply to the Aga Khan University, as the centers are declared in many countries. I will give you a list of centers of Aga Khan entry test. So the basic qualification is you should have a 12-year education. We call it FSC, inter, or we call it higher secondary school certificate. So that is important. And then if you have other degrees and equivalence is there, then the inter-board committee can decide it, and Aga Khan also can decide that you can apply. So you can have any system of education, but you can apply if you have 12th grade or above qualification, and at least you should have A grade or GPA score which is acceptable at the international level. So by this you can prepare up to the July and appear in the Aga Khan test. It is 100 MCQ questions, 50% are from scientific reasons. But if you count the questions, then it will be 100 question, in which at least I have seen that 20 physics, chemistry, biology, 20 are from the scientific reasoning, and 20 are from the mathematics reasoning. Calculator is not allowed. So Aga Khan University was established in 1983, and this university is one of the top-notch university of Pakistan. And the students who are thinking that they will not be able to pay the fees and other expenses, Aga Khan University has a very strong need-based scholarship program. So you can apply if you can qualify, and you can reach to the test of Aga Khan. It has 4 or 5 processes in which you will apply, you will register, and then you will appear in the entry test, and then you will be shortlisted. Then the interview will be called, and your extracurricular activities and other community work and recommendation letters will also aid in your selection process. So ultimately you have to be ready for these important steps. And now this year the MD-CAT or Pakistani PMDC test, which has implication in Pakistan, so that must be cleared, and you must secure 60% marks in that test so that you can be eligible in Aga Khan University test. Now I will give you some of the centers of international and as well as national centers. Coming to the international center, it is Chicago, USA, then Dar es Salaam, Dubai, then Edmonton, Houston, Iran, Kabul, Kampala, Horog, London, Nairobi, Riyadh, Syria, and Toronto. So these are 14 centers, and I will encourage the people from Pakistan and people from the province of Sindh, and they are diaspora or they are overseas citizen, they should listen to this video, and they must encourage their children to apply in the Aga Khan MBBS program and other programs also. In Pakistani students, the centers are 11: Chitral, Faisalabad, Gilgit, Hyderabad, Karachi, Lahore, Multan, Peshawar, Quetta, Rawalpindi, Sakhar. So these are the centers, and I will request to the Aga Khan management that they should increase the centers at least in the province of Sindh. That will be a low cost, and the student will be having less expenses or travel time. So Mirpur Khas is strongly recommended, and if possible they can have the test in Larkana, Nawab Shah. So this is the center list and names of the centers. Now I will request to the students of Sindh and particularly province of Sindh that the 11 days or 1 week is there, they should apply, and if they have any difficulty they can contact Dr. Hussain Baksh Kolachi YouTube channel in the comments box, and Aga Khan University directly. Telephone numbers are there, and they are frequently asked questions are there, and 2 resources, sample paper is there and practice resources are there, in which each section of the test has questions, sample questions. They are not exactly, but they are very close to that, and they are published by the Aga Khan University as a helping resource material. So practice resources, sample test paper should be collected, and you should practice it. And then there are 5 advisors who have cleared Aga Khan, so become familiar with the syllabus, practice the test papers, seek professional guidance, time management, and as well as you should be confident and be content with your preparation. So Dr. Hussain Baksh Kolachi YouTube channel, if this information is helpful, please like it, share it, and write in the comments box, particularly if you have not applied or you have listened this video and you are applying as a awareness of this video. So that will help us, and our target is that 1,000 students from Sindh and Pakistan should apply because of the awareness created or information shared by the Dr. Hussain Baksh Kolachi YouTube channel. Any difficulty, any comments, any suggestion, anything which you want to know, we are ready to help you. My name is Professor Dr. Hussain Baksh Kolachi. I am myself MBBS doctor and professor and teaching public health and community medicine in Isra University. I have taught in Allama Iqbal Medical College, Lahore, as well as I have been the professor at the Aga Khan International Medical College, and luckily I have delivered some external lecture in Aga Khan University, presented research papers in Aga Khan University, posters, and I got my Research Award in Aga Khan Auditorium in 1988 from the Governor of Sindh, Justice Qadir Deen. So I have a long association with Aga Khan, and I wish you people and Aga Khan a best future. Be confident and be prepared to appear in the Aga Khan MBBS test, and with the hope and the attention that the success is very near to you. Thank you very much.